How's it going, guys, and welcome back to yet another brand new photography ideas. So pretty much today I'm going to show you some of the ideas that you can do. Yeah, the Juby, whichever things which I'm going to be using this video to show you using the idea which I have planned, which I'm going to do it. You will find this all of the stuff in your home. So it's pretty much easy. You don't have to go anywhere. Just take a camera, take the stuff, and do some photography. Yeah, so pretty much this is very creative and very fun to do, and you can go a lot of creative with this if uh, going for the shoot and stuff. So yeah, pretty much that is things. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin with our photo shoot. Okay, so for the first one you will need your mobile with some sellotapes and some water. Basically, why I'm telling you why will you need a phone, because you need to have some other background which we want here in a photo, because that is what we are going to using to capture the photo. So pretty much you don't get the idea why I'm telling you we have to take a lot of shots. Let me just do a quick setup of everything, and let me just explain you what I want to capture and what we are going to capture with the photo. So guys, this is the setup pretty much you need. I got the phone for the background, and I got something that you can hold them through, and you have just tied up this. So this is the sellotape, and just we need to pour some water drops for the sellotape. Let me just bring it, and let me just show you what I'm actually wanting to capture, because the reflection are going to be captured. So because I want to get the full image just here near the droplets, you can get the idea. You may also see in the photos today, and that is what I'm going to trying out here. So let's see how that turns out to be. Okay, so when you are trying out the shoes, make sure that the drops which you are going to be putting on this sellotape, this you can see the upper part, make sure the drops are that you are putting should be perfect, because you are going to be capturing will be coming on them. So make sure the drops should be perfect. It is okay when you are seeing the image nicely, then you can capture the photo pretty much even good. So that is what that we can do over here. So that is a very good thing that you can try out here. And yeah, so pretty much that is what you need to capture these photos. And yeah, you have some photos that I click and managed to take a shot, because it was very difficult to do to put the drops perfectly, that don't go wrong. Yeah, I did manage to capture some shoots. So yeah, here have some photos, and enjoy. For the next idea, you will need a CD pretty much. Yeah, make sure you select, make sure take CD which you don't use anymore, because yeah, you are going to be putting some water to it. Just here you are going to be putting water, and you can see the colors which is coming from the CD. It looks nice when you add water, and it will create a nice little cool reflection out of it. So yeah, it will make a nice little photos with that. So make sure you also use some flash, because the colors which are going to be coming from your, that should be coming, because if you don't have a color on the CD, then it doesn't make any sense. So make sure that you have CD, take a flash, or make sure you bring the colors of the CD to make it even more good. And yeah, that's pretty much that's the one thing you will need. And let me just quickly do everything, and let me just show you the setup, and I'm finished. Okay guys, so quick tips when you're trying out the shoot with the CD. When you're using some torch, make sure you use a torch, because yeah, you need some nice cool colors will come out of it when you are using some torch over here. And make sure don't hold the torch with the same angle in the same position every single time. Change the angle and change the camera angle as well. As don't shoot with the same where you're holding the camera at the same position and the same angle and capturing the photo. Don't do that. Make sure to change the angle of the camera as well as the flash to get that nice cool colory kind of effect while shading. And yeah, you will be amazed what the output of this photos will be turned out to be. Yeah, the output of it is pretty much damn good. So yeah, make sure you give it a try out shout. And yeah, if you want me to look your work, or if you want me to look your work, and if you want me to just give you your shout out in my channel, so make sure to tag me on your photo on Instagram. It's is tag me, or you just use the hashtag #WishYouClicks. I will just go and look over here and give you free shout out. So yeah, second idea done. Now the final idea which I'm going to be showing you. Yeah, let's go. And here are some photos of this one. for the final bit of idea. So it's not that too much thing that you have to do, not so much that if you click photos too much. You can also do the stuff if you have already clicked some photos, the type of things that you want. Pretty much what I was want to do today. So pretty much you have seen this photo on Instagram because it was trending a lot on Instagram over there. All of the people are doing and adding the stories. So I'm going to be teaching you today. So is this on the screen? You can see that how you can add a music player stuff on your photo and just it look cool and it look nice when you do that kind of stuff. So it's pretty much easy to do in using Adobe for Photoshop, and even if you're using any mobile photo editor. So the if you're using a mobile phone editor which you have, so the thing which I'm going to showing you is pretty much similar. You don't have to do a lot of stuff, but with this thing you have to change the blending mode of it, so you can do it even also in your phone. Yeah, so pretty much that is about what I'm going to be showing you today. So yeah, pretty much that is the last step which I'm going to be. So pretty much you don't have to do a lot of stuff, super easy, super fun to do, and it's just an idea that you can do a lot of stuff with that. So yeah, here's some quick tutorial of that how you can do here we go and watch, and the photos are up there. Okay guys, so I'm showing you how you can do that stuff. So pretty much this is the photo which where I'm going to be showing you the effect, and these are the two songs of screenshotted and me. And so yeah, pretty much that is what I'm going to do. So first of all, what you need to crop this photo to this much, because you don't have to include images. You can also do, even if you don't want the song name, you can also crop that image. You can go to here and then we can add the text if you want. So pretty much I'm going to doing that. I'm showing you two different photos with the with this and the other one where I'm going to be adding the name. So pretty much, so yeah, this is the photo which I'm dropping. So then just confirm it and then just bring this to the main photo which I'm going to be editing. So yeah, here it is. So and then press Ctrl plus T and then increase the size to how much you want. It's as per your need. I'm just going to be keeping here because I'm going to be also be adding the name of the song just above it. So when you're done with that, press enter and then select the layer one which basically the song which you have entered, then go to the blending mode and then go to the light. So that is pretty much simple thing that you need to do. And then you can change and place wherever you want. Pretty much I like it over here, so I'm just going to be keeping it right over here because it matches the headphones and the song experience. So if you want to add a text or the song name, so pretty much go and add a text over here. It's pretty much simple. You don't have to do a lot of steps over here. So then I'm going to be adding quickly the song name, the lazy song. Then okay, I think this is the song name. So yeah, then you pretty much, and then you can adjust it, place it wherever you want, even if you want you can increase the name, the size of photo, or pretty much anything you want to do. So yeah, that is pretty much simple thing that you can do. Yeah, it's don't include any fancy editing, don't include any fancy stuff to do over here. Simple, pretty much easy, and there you go. That is the final output of the photo. You can do it any much photo. You just have to change the blending mode to lighten. That is done. Yeah, pretty much that is the simple thing that you have to do. And I'm just showing you some of the photos that I have done over here. So yeah, here are some photos. Enjoy.